She's gorge. She is gorge. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandraahzhane, and in today's video, as you read by the title, I'm coming to y'all with the iPhone 15 Plus unboxing. Girl, I waited a whole day for this video. My phone came yesterday. I got my phone yesterday. I pre-ordered it and I'm super excited to unbox it with y'all. Y'all know I have done, I think, an iPhone 11 unboxing, a MacBook Pro 13 unboxing, and then the pink 13 unboxing is the last one that I did. I love watching techie unboxing videos, especially when they feature Apple products. So I thought that, of course, it's only right that I film one for the new iPhone 15 Plus. Let's get into this unboxing of this phone because I'm super duper excited. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy videos like this, and we're gonna get straight into the video. This box is gorgeous, y'all. It's giving very much ASMR. So yeah, let's get into it. She's gorge. She is gorge. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. And I'm in love and I'm obsessed. Look at how gorgeous this phone is, y'all. This shade of pink is beautiful. She's so pretty. Y'all, this phone is so pretty. All right, y'all, let's get into the setup. Hopefully that was a good enough like ASMR type of vibe. Your girl was trying to get her content in, okay, for y'all and for TikTok. All right, let's go ahead and start the setup process. I'm at the appearance. I'm gonna keep it at default. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone. I'm gonna actually make sure that everything is backed up on here because I am switching to a new phone carrier. So I just want to make sure everything is good and ready to go. So I'm gonna do that off camera and then I'm gonna come right back. All right, y'all, it's voice over me because it was days later and I was just making sure everything backed up on my phone. Please don't be like me. Check and make sure your phone is up to date and backed up because you'll be like me waiting days for everything to completely back up to your iCloud. So anyway, now I'm finally starting the process, just going through the whole setup. This is the appearance. I'm keeping it at default. And then I'm just completing the process of setting my phone up. I really probably am just going to play some music and let y'all watch this process because it's not a tutorial. Like, you know, I don't feel like y'all have to, you know, hear me explain everything. But it's the same setup process as I did in my iPhone 13 video. So I'm just following everything that my phone is telling me to do so that I can successfully transfer everything over to the new phone. And I love that Apple has it set up like this, where when everything is backed up to your iCloud, you can have your phone looking just like it did, literally down to the background, home screens. Everything will be the same, app placement, all of that. If you're an iPhone user, you already know. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish setting up my iPhone, getting a Wi-Fi and everything. I did end up transferring over to AT&T as like my new phone carrier, so I definitely wanted to make sure everything was backed up because I know that they were telling me something about, you know, you could lose some things, like I think voicemails or something like that. I don't know, y'all, but yeah, I love my phone. I love my phone. I'm just gonna say that while we doing this whole little transfer process. I love this phone, y'all. It's so many good things about it, but I'll just pop in as I feel a need to. I'm gonna go through and update the phone and just let y'all watch what I'm doing so that I don't have to just ramble the entire time. y'all, the display of this phone is so bomb. Like, I just took pictures on my 13 to send to my mom because it's been a long journey and process, y'all, getting this phone like updated and everything. Long story short, my phone hadn't been backed up for over a year, so it was just a lot of going back and forth, making sure everything was updated and uploaded to my iCloud so that I could have everything, my pictures, even if you're not getting a new phone anytime soon, and just make sure that your phone is being backed up to your iCloud so that you don't have to go through such a long drawn out process when you do switch over. This is my phone. It's back just like it was. I'm gonna do a what's on my iPhone. I'm most likely going to like update a few things with my phone because it's definitely time. I've had the same like lock screen and home screen for probably like over a couple of years now. I haven't really changed anything, so I think it's just time to just give it a new vibe since I got a new phone. But y'all, I'm absolutely in love with the phone. I'll go ahead and do a comparison with my 13. I need to take the screen protector off because I am actually trading this phone in. But just to give y'all a comparison, this is the phone side by side. So of course we have the really pretty matte glass, and then this is just giving me regular glass. You can see like how dirty it is, all the fingerprints. It's been in this case forever, y'all. I have not took it out the case. It definitely could use a good clean, but especially the bottom of it. But yeah, y'all, this is the phone. You can tell they definitely did an upgrade with the color. I feel like they kind of listened. Like people were like, this is what we meant when we wanted a pink phone, Apple. And I think they definitely kind of met the need. It's not spot on to the color that I've seen people talking about they wanted, but I think this is a perfect pink. It's definitely a true pink. It's still on a lighter side, but I think it's perfect, and I definitely do like it better than the last pink they did, y'all. Like, I think it's beautiful. As you can see, this is like the comparison when it comes down to size. This is the 6.1, and I believe this is a 6.7 because this is the 15 plus. So I really like that. I figured I'd give y'all a comparison because why not? Like, I have both of the pink phones to be able to show y'all. But yeah, this is basically the phone side by side. And of course we got the upgraded USB-C port, which I really like because I do own a MacBook and it uses the same thing, so I feel like that will be convenient for that. Cameras look really similar, maybe just slightly bigger, maybe. Yeah, they kind of do look bigger. But yeah, y'all, this is the comparison. I think both colors are really pretty, but again, they definitely came through with the color of this pink versus this like really light pastel. Like, this almost doesn't look like a pink up against this phone. It's gonna be crazy saying bye to her. I've had this phone forever. Y'all know I unboxed this phone as well, but I'm just super excited to own this one. I love the matte glass, y'all. It's just it just helps with the fingerprints. Company did kindly send me some cases, which I will be showing y'all as well. But yeah, y'all, I'm just super excited because if only y'all knew how long and strenuous and drawn out this process has been. Yeah, y'all, let's get into the camera. Pictures in photo mode. When a person, dog, or cat is in the frame, you can quickly turn the photo into a portrait with a beautifully blurred background by typing F or by editing later in photos. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh, yes. The camera is beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and screen record for y'all. Oh, here we go, y'all. Talking all that stuff. But as you can see, the camera is super crispy. I'm just recording my screen. This camera is amazing. This camera is amazing, y'all. Like, look at how just sharp the camera is. But hopefully the screen recording definitely does some justice. This phone is gorgeous. And then we also have the 0.5 option, and then you actually have the 2x zoom option as well, which looks really good. Like, the quality isn't compromised at all, which I really like. Because I know with my 13, as much as I love this camera quality as well, it's really good, but the camera quality can definitely be compromised depending upon how you zoom with it. So yeah, I like that I have like the one more option, the 2x zoom, and that is actually clear. But other than that, y'all, that will basically wrap it up for this review. Thank you so much if you stayed to the end of this video. Let me know if you will be getting the iPhone 15, and if so, which iPhone 15 will you be getting and which color? I would love to know down below. So yeah, y'all, that has been the unboxing of my new iPhone 15 Plus. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.